Good morning, students. Here I am back. I, Rasika Patil from Pratibha International School. Here you welcome you all back to my channel, where I am going to start with the revision of your lesson. Already we have finished with that lesson. Already I have completed the revision of the same lesson. But then to today I am going to do the same because there are few students those who are still stuck in between for the same points. They have some doubts, so I'm just going to clear their doubts for today's session. So let us begin for the same doubt. So today we are going to start for the lesson that is surfing internet, lesson number 10. So in this lesson number 10 we are going to learn about few things which I have already informed you. But then too I want some students to practice it, because as nowadays we are using a lot our internet in different ways. Even you are submitting your notes and your assignments, worksheets, everything on this channel, on this basis. So you should be perfect in handling the internet. So these are quite basic things which you are going to learn in this lesson. So before I begin with our revision, I just want to remind you that those who have not uploaded their notes and their worksheet assignment, please upload it at the earliest. And I'm going to start with the comment section. So comment section, those students those who are not commenting it, I want them all to comment on my video. Do you have any kind of a problem regarding any point? Please do mail it, as my mail ID is 7bct@pratibhaindschool.org. So this was all about our introduction of our video. So let us begin for the revision today. So our today's topic is nothing but editing the contact details. So how to edit the contact details? So log on to your mail. First of all, we have to log on to our mails, and then we have to go to the contacts of the email windows and select the contacts that you want to edit it. A form will be displayed. Edit the details as per the requirements and click on the Save Now tab. So now today I am going to show you how exactly it is going to happen. So So this is my Gmail account. In my Gmail account, now as I'm using Windows 10, so we are just going to start with the contacts, how to add, how to edit and how to delete it. Now this is my G Suite. Next to my Gmail account, I'm having here all kind of Google apps. Go to this Google Apps. You will find the contacts over here. Click on that contacts. A new tab will appear on your screen, finding at Google Contacts. Now, if you want to create a new contact, here you are having a new create a contact option. If you can't see this, at the left hand side you will find a create contact option. Just go and click on that. Type the name. I'm writing my own name. It's just an example I'm going to show you. If any company's name, job title, mention all the things whichever you require. So my email ID is 7bct at the rate. So this is my mail ID. Now phone number, I'm mentioning any kind of a phone number. Then if you want to write any kind of a notes, you can mention it and say save. So you will find the interactions with this mail also, that is 7B has interacted with this mail. Those mails will also come under this. Now if you want to create one more, so create it, type any name, any email ID, any phone number and say save it. Now suppose this is the way you are going to do it. That is adding of your contacts to your mail. Now I want to edit it. So how to do editing it? Just click on that option, click on that contact and say edit contact. When you say edit contact, everything comes here. Suppose I want to edit it by the name, and even my number I want to change it. and then I can say save. The new contact number and the new contact details will be saved after editing. So this was our second point. First, what we have learned? We have learned how to add the contacts. Then the second thing we have learned is how to edit the contact. If any changes are there in your friends contact details, then that can be done. Now next is how to delete the contact. So for deleting a contact, first of all you have to click here and select the contacts. As you select the contact, here the option comes next to it, more option. In more option you are having delete. Just click on the delete. A pop-up menu will appear on your screen, that is delete this contact, and just click on delete option. So here we have done with our editing of our contact now, and deleting of our contact. Now if I want to make a groups, so for making a group, first I should have create the multiple contacts where you can add. First of all, let me add a contact, one more contact. Let me add the number and name and say save it. Then as I save it, there are two contacts. I say multiple contacts, import contacts. So from where I want to select the files. No need. So first of all what I'll do, I'll select both the contacts and I'll select here merge. So when I say merge, both the numbers will come in the same contact number. Understood, students? So this way we are going to merge the contacts. Now I am going to go to the delete option. I am going to delete it. One more, students, I want to tell you, this is our trash. In this trash, whatever the contacts you have already deleted, that all are going to get entered into your trash. Like it works as in the form of your recycle bin. But I don't want to recover anything, so I want to delete it forever. So I'll just delete this contact forever. Okay, now this was there for your what is it, just for your concern, that is how to add the contacts, edit the contact and delete the contact. So students, here in my Google I have mentioned here e-greeting cards for birthday. So for e-greeting cards of birthday we are using 123 greeting card. So I'm just opening it. See here, this is my e-greeting card where this is my home page. In this e-greeting card, first of all you have to log in it. So just for logging in, so this is I have already logged in. So I'm logging out again. I'm showing you. So sign in. So login. So first of all you have to log in. If you have not logged in as such, then sign up here. Then you have to mention all the details like name, then email ID, name, birth date. You mention your birth date, then mention your password, agree for both the things and register. Now as you register, here you will find sign in option. After that, suppose I want to go for the birthday cards. So I'll just open the birthday card. So I will select the birthday card whichever I want. Suppose I want this birthday card. I will open it. So this is the birthday card. I am pausing it. Now you want to customize the card. You can customize the card as per your requirement. Customize the e-card. Now here you can mention the sender's name. Even you can mention the text whatever you want to insert into your, and you can write the sender's receiver's name. Suppose I am writing receiver's name as Rehan, and receiver's email ID I am writing as 7bct at the rate pratibha int school.org. So now this I am writing, and when you want to send, I want to send it today itself. I have mentioned the date, then where in India, and just click on send now. So see here, your card is being processed. Please wait. So your card is getting processed. So see here, I have sent an email a greeting card to myself. So you can view by clicking it here. So I'm just clicking over there. Let me see what is the card over there. So this way you can create your own cards. Okay, and send it to your friends. There were many cards which I have received, but one more thing I wanted to remind you students, you just don't have to send the cards, you have to copy that card, download that card, and you have to keep it in your drive. At least you can just send that card to yourself, and you can even add it to your, then save as PDF. See here, one option is given as here, save as PDF. So you just save it as a PDF, it will get downloaded. So as it has downloaded, check here. So this is my e-card whichever I have prepared. Understood students, this is the card which I have prepared, and this is getting saved in my computer in the form of a PDF. You can also save this in the form of a PDF to your computer and just add this card into your drive, which will be helpful, and which will, through that I can understand, yes, you know the procedure of preparing an e-card, and you can prepare any kind of a card and you can send it to your friends. So this was there for today. That's it for the day. Have a good day ahead.